This is a 5 volt relay. You can see that it is written as 5 volt, and various capacities of switching are shown below. That is 7 amperes at 250 volts, 12 amperes at 120 volts, 10 amperes at 120 volt AC, and 10 ampere at 24 volt DC. These are the various possibilities of the relay being used in different circuits. That is, initial supply is 5 volt, which activates the coil, and the coil causes switching of a higher power circuit. So this is meant to switch higher circuits with a lower voltage. 5 voltage relays are typically used for microcontrollers like Arduino Nano. Usually this relay will take about 70 milliamperes of current. I'll check it out. And the Arduino Nano output, digital pin output, is maximum of only 20 milliamperes. So if you plug this relay directly into the circuit, that will not be good. But this relay is very cheap. Cost is less. Only problem is that you will have to have a circuit to buffer it up, so that only a lower load will be given to Arduino Nano. This is the reverse side, showing pins, 2 pins on one side and 3 pins on the other side. The central pin on the other side with 3 pins will be a common pole. The other 2 pins on the sides will be for normally on and normally off positions, depending on which way you want to trigger the relays. In contrast to the previous one, this is a relay module. The difference is that only a smaller current will be needed to switch this relay. You don't have to have another circuit to buffer up. You can connect this directly to the output of the Arduino Nano. The other side you have the 3 poles common, and as I mentioned earlier, always that is normally on and normally off positions are shown. This is the reverse side of the relay module. Relay module is costlier than the relay itself. When I bought it, it was 3 times the cost of a relay, and this needs, you can give the power here, voltage in, ground, and VCC. VCC will be the supply voltage to energize the circuits, and ground is the common pole, and input will be the signal which will drive the relay, and this will be the output section where you can control the higher voltage or higher amperage circuit as mentioned here. 10 ampere 250 volt AC, 10 ampere 125 volt AC, 10 ampere 30 volt DC, 10 ampere 28 volt DC. These are the types of uses for this relay module. So you can safely use this with an Arduino Nano, as lower input voltages and amperage is enough. For the next video, I'll try to connect power to these modules and see how much current it will draw.